Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be talking about the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So Samsung's A series has always been a premium offering, and the A53 is no different. This also offers quite a lot of premium features, including optical image stabilization for the rear camera. Then you get IP67 rating, probably one of the few smartphones offering IP67 rating at this price segment, and you also get Android updates for 4 years and security patches for 5 years. You get 2 new colors and Samsung's S AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate. So it's a really good package offering great features. So let's talk about all these features in detail in our detailed hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So before getting into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So let's get started with unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So this is the box package and you can see the new color. This is the awesome blue color. In fact, it is really awesome. We'll show you that. So you can see the image of the device, as Samsung Galaxy A53 mentioned. The back of the box doesn't mention anything else. So we have the 8128 variant and this is the awesome blue color. So opening up the box, you can see the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So let's take this out and you can see the beautiful awesome color. Inside the box you get the charging cable, the USB Type-C charging cable, and the manual and warranty information, the quick start guide. Head SAR is 0.340, that's the SAR value, and you get the dual SIM card support here. So that's all inside the box. So this device does not come with a charger inside the box. So now let's boot the device and we'll talk about the device more. So now we have booted the device and you can see the beautiful looking the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So let's talk about the important aspects about this device. So let's start with the camera module. So this device comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, and you get one of the important aspects about this device is that it comes with optical image stabilization for the primary camera. That's one of the important aspects. Now this device comes with a 64 megapixel Sony sensor here, and optical image stabilization means you can capture clear photos and videos with no shake even in the auto mode, and you can take some really good low light captures with the optical image stabilization included. So that's one of the highlighting aspects. So here is a quick camera sample we have taken with this device. So you can see that how stable the footage is. The image stabilization helps in getting you really good video quality as well as low light experience. So here are some of the camera samples we have taken with this device. It comes with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Then you get a 5 megapixel macro sensor and 5 megapixel depth sensor, and you also get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. It's an upgraded camera, and you can see some of the camera samples we have taken. This has come really good in terms of camera experience. We'll talk about the camera in depth in our detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. So overall the quality of the photos looks really stunning. And additionally there are some options included: enhanced AI stabilization, portrait with bokeh mode, portrait with light effects, and various other options to customize your portrait. So it's one of those devices which offers plenty of options in the camera module. So for every device, one of the important aspects is how durable the phone is. So for that Samsung is adding the IP67 water and dust resistance capabilities. It can withstand up to 1 meter of fresh water for almost 30 minutes. So even if you are doing underwater photography, or if you are using the phone in rain, or if this phone slips out of your hand into a water body, it will not damage because this has IP67 water and dust resistance capabilities. So that's one of the good things. You don't have to worry about any water ingress because this has the protection enabled. Now another important thing is that this display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So you have the protection both for water and dust, and even the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So that's another important thing about this device. Now the third important aspect has to be the display. Now Samsung's A series have always had really great displays, and this is no different. You get the 120Hz S AMOLED display with Infinity O display, and this is a full HD plus resolution display. You can see the punch hole selfie camera. The display quality is really good. It's vibrant, crisp display, and 120Hz refresh rate adds a really good smoothness to the experience. You can see that it looks really smooth. So one of the best displays we have seen in this price segment. And the outdoor visibility is excellent and viewing angles are great, and you get a peak brightness of 800 nits. That's one of the good aspects about this device. So the display is really good, and once again the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So that's the important aspect. Next, let's talk about the performance. So this device comes with the Exynos 1280 chip. It's a new chip. It's a 5 nanometer chip and it's a new chip developed by Samsung, the Exynos 1280. It provides good performance all around, and in day-to-day experience it should be able to give you great performance. It's coupled with either 6GB RAM or 8GB RAM. You get LPDDR4X RAM and UFS storage. And in terms of connectivity, you are well connected with 5G support. This is a 5G device, so that's the performance side. So overall, it's a really good device in terms of performance as well. So that's our first impressions using the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So next, let's talk about the design aspect. So this device has a really good design. In fact, this is one of the really good aspects about this device. You get side-mounted power button and the volume rocker keys. The left side does not have any openings or slots. Bottom you get the SIM tray, USB Type-C port, speakers. It's a dual stereo speakers, and we have the punch hole selfie camera, in-display fingerprint scanner, and the back panel design looks really good. You can see that the camera module has a slight projection, and this projection is neatly blended into the back panel with the curved finishing. So all round the finishing looks really great. The awesome blue color is one of the important aspects. You also get the peach color along with black and white regular colors. So there are 4 colors. My personal favorite has to be the awesome blue. It looks really great and it is one of the best colors we have seen on a smartphone. So that's one of the important aspects about this device. So that's the design aspect. It looks really good in hands, and it feels really solid when you're using the device. A good build quality offered, and this is the matte finish back panel, and Samsung branding is also there. So design definitely looks great. Now talking about the software experience. So this is powered by Android 12. So let's just go to the about phone and software information. You get One UI 4.1 and Android 12. Now One UI 4.1 offers plethora of options. You get a lot of customization including theme support. You get additional options in the form of Knox security. If you go to the advanced features, you get option to customize the side key, motions and gestures, 100 mode. Then you get video call effects, game launcher, dual messenger, floating windows. So plenty of options are there, and Samsung has bundled all the features you generally expect on a Samsung device in the premium segment, including the Knox security, Samsung Pay is included. So it's a really full-fledged UI on the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and Samsung is promising 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches. So that's one of the important aspects, because not many phones offer that many Android updates and security patches. So that is definitely a welcome move, and 4 years of Android updates, and this device runs on Android 12 right now. So that's another important aspect. So that's the software experience, and it looks really good. Now talking about the battery, you get a 5000 mAh capacity battery, and you get a 25 watt charging supported. So charger is not included in the box, so you have to buy it separately, but a 5000 mAh capacity battery should be able to give you more than a day, easily 1.5 days of battery life, which is again good. So battery life has to be stellar on this device. So those are the important aspects about the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So let's just summarize all the aspects. So it comes with optical image stabilization for the rear camera, IP67 water and dust resistant capabilities, 120Hz AMOLED display, 800 nits of peak brightness, Exynos 1280 5 nanometer chip, 5000 mAh battery, 25 watt charging, 5G bands are supported. Then you get 8 and 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, and you get a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and you get 4 colors, awesome blue, peach, and black and white. So these are the 4 colors. So that was our experience with the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. It looks really good, and you can buy it from the Samsung store. The 8GB RAM variant is priced 35,999, and the 6GB RAM variant is priced 34,499. So you can buy it from the Samsung website. We have the link available in the description as well as the comment section in case you plan to buy this device. So do check out the Samsung's link. You'll get more details about the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So that was our experience and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.